Hello, and welcome to Tech Tips with Sidecar. I'm Sidecar here at Harley-Davidson of Asheville. If you hang around Harley riders much at all, perhaps you've heard them talking. Yeah, I put stage 1 on my motorcycle. Really? Why put stage 3 on mine? Huh, I got stage 4, brother. What's that all mean? What are they talking about? Well, as you can see, it can be confusing because Harley-Davidson offers a number of engine displacements and different performance packages that you can build above your stock motorcycle. To keep things simple, let's focus on the basics. Stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are the stages? The stages are a simple method that Harley-Davidson came up with to identify how much performance work a motorcycle's had in comparison to the stock unit that came off the showroom floor. Stage 1. What's stage 1? Air cleaner, exhaust, and tuner. What does stage 1 do for you? It gives you a freer breathing, more responsive motorcycle to ride. Makes for more fun. Stage 2 would be when you go ahead and change out for a performance cam. You can get a torque cam or a horsepower cam. What a cam does, in addition to making more power, is help you shape the power so it puts it where you ride, where you want it. Whether you're a low RPM torque guy or a high horsepower, high RPM individual. Stage 3. Stage 3 would include a step up in cubic inches, a step up in size, which would give you more power. And finally, stage 4 could include an additional step up in size, but would include performance heads for the individual who just wants it all, wants as much power as they can possibly get out of their Harley-Davidson motorcycle. So now you know what everybody's talking about, brother, when they say stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you have any questions, we're always here. Give us a call at Harley-Davidson of Asheville, 828-581-2000. I'm Sidecar, and thanks for tuning in.